Okay, today I'm going to share my screen with you. I'm going to go online and have a look at a charting package that I use, which is ProRealTime. I've used it for about 5 years. It's pretty simple, I know my way around it, and it's free, and it's pretty cool. So what I'll do is I'll take you over there. I've opened a fresh account, so if you open an account, it's what yours will look like. We're going to get started quickly and easily, adjusting the type of charts. We can look at daily charts, weekly charts, monthly charts. We can adjust the type of chart, whether it's a line chart, a bar chart, or a candlestick chart like I use. And maybe even add some indicators on. Get you started with a bit of technical analysis, hopefully to make some money. So have a look. Let me know if there's any comments or questions. Any questions about any other charting software I can help you with, leave them below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And yeah, I hope this is going to be of use to you.
Okay, so welcome to this quick start guide on ProRealTime. So this is the screen you're going to see when you open an account. This is a fresh account that I've just opened, and this is what I'm faced with. So it looks a bit complicated, so we're just going to clean things up a little. We'll get rid of this chart down the bottom. We'll maximise this main chart. So here we can see this is a daily chart showing 2 years worth of data on the euro dollar. Looks a bit complicated, so what we're going to do, we just clean things up by clicking on the spanner here next to the price. These are the indicators. I'll actually just delete these quickly for now. So we just got price, and we've got some trend lines that have been drawn here. To remove these trend lines, just click on this one up here. So here we have just 2 years worth of daily action on the euro dollar. We've actually got an oscillator relative strength index down at the bottom. We'll just quickly get rid of that for a minute. Let's zoom in a little bit further. So got 1 year. So there it is. This is a candlestick chart. So if you don't like to look at candlestick charts, we adjust those by back on the spanner. We've selected the price and the style here. We're on the candlestick. We can change that to a simple line, or maybe you want to see a bar chart. We can adjust the thickness, and we can adjust the colours here. I like to see candlestick charts, so we'll revert back to those. Right, I'll show you how to add a moving average onto the price. So spanner, we want to add an indicator, and there's moving average at the top. So here we go, this is a moving average and it's simple 20. It's a 20 period, so we're on a daily chart, so there's an average of over 20 days on this chart. It's a simple moving average. We can use exponential if you like. It's a whole choice of others. I only ever use simple or exponential. And we can adjust the style, we can adjust the colour. Adjust the width, and easily adjust to a shorter time frame, or just highlight and type in the periods that you want to see. There it's adjusted, showing moving average 50 is the pink line. You can add as many moving averages to that price as you like. What I'll show you next is adding a couple of basic indicators and oscillators. So to do that, we come up here, we click on here, so we're on indicators and trading systems. Quite a popular one people use is MACD or MACD. So out of the long list of options we've got here, find MACD, open that up, and there we have the MACD. Again, this is fully customizationable. Remove the color zones. I don't particularly use MACD very often, but when I do, I like to keep these settings as standard. So let's add another oscillator. So again, up in the corner, let's add RSI, or relative strength index. So there's RSI. You can make it shorter or longer by adjusting here. Makes this indicator more sensitive. So there you have a daily chart with a couple of basic technical studies added. We can move these windows about. We can adjust the size by dragging like so, just on the line here. We can move by dragging the name of the pane. We can drag it, moving them at the top like that, and get rid of them at any time using the cross. Up here, we can choose a weekly chart if we want. We can look at a monthly chart, and here we can adjust over the period we want to look back. So let's just reduce the size of this graph again. Over here is your lists. Click on here. These are all the preset popular instruments. So if we look, UK shares, A to C, the 200, click on each one, and quite quickly scan through these. Look back onto the daily chart. If we want to search for a particular stock, the search box here, Apple for example. There we go, Apple Inc. It's on the NASDAQ exchange. And here we have Apple. You can zoom out using this function down the bottom. So that's a way of getting started pretty quickly using ProRealTime. I suggest you sign up. It's a free package. Have a good look around it. There's plenty more features to be used on it, but I'm not going to go in those now. If you have any particular questions, please leave them below, or comments, leave them below. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you on the next one.